Next we gotta do is you gotta level pergola. You gotta have a leveler. First thing you gotta do, you gotta pick a corner and start out with that. Make sure they're all level. That's the key. It's a recording, but can you see on the screen my microphone working? Yeah. So you put this on the side here. You want to make sure it's low. You see that's level. See that? You want that to be low. Okay. So that's good. So I'm going to start off with that one and slowly work your way over. See, you can tell this one's not level. So you push it over. I'm going to push it over right a little bit. But this one is not that important because it's a little bit like lower, so I can actually move around. But the four end posts are the most important. See, this one's, the bottom's level a little bit, top's not. So I'm gonna move over a little bit to right, and you see it's perfect now. See that? That's the key. Before I was like, why is it not straight? Inside the kitchen it looks crooked. And I have OCD and it drives me nuts. But then, my wife's shaking her head, yeah. But you see this one? Needs to move a little bit. See that? Perfect. Perfect. And then we go with this one. But again, this one's like kind of hanging, so you can always adjust this later. Oh, this one is right on the money. Right on the money. This one's the one that was crooked in the kitchen. And every time I was, oh my gosh, look how off that is. It's way off. OCD alert. That's really bad. So we're gonna move to the right. Move more to the right. But you see how every time I move to the right, the whole thing moves. So that means I have to anchor that, and those three corners down, and then I can actually straighten this out, and this whole thing will be straightened out. Okay, it's 5.51 from boat to boat. So from, nope, the other boat. Yep, that one. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna scoot this. It's 5 feet. Double check. The nice thing about this pergola is it came with, well, it didn't come with measurement. I actually had to get this online. But it's actually, let me see, you have to take 100, yeah, it's 108 from end to end, from 108 inches to 72, so almost 109 inches. So what I'm doing here is I'm just gonna mark it, gonna get an estimate, 109 inches, so this boat needs to be about 109 inches. And I double check and double check. So about 109 inches. So I take this and I kind of mark it this. I'm using a 0.9 here. Kind of mark it here. But to kind of get an idea, you got 109. it's 109, but then, see, about 109, I move it back here, but then I take this level, you kind of want to move it 109, it's about right. And how's that looking over there? It looks pretty good. And 109, so I'm gonna mark it right here. Oh. Looks pretty straight, right?
Yep.
Huh?
I'll hold it and you can check.
You wanna hold it right here?
Mm-hmm.
Put your feet on there. Okay, I'm gonna check real quick. I'm gonna check with the level. The wife's gonna hold it. So the level comes into play really helpful. You gotta have this. The longer the level, the better. But you wanna be in the center, right? Measure both sides. It's pretty good. And then I take a walk out and kind of eyeball it too. Last night we did the other 4 anchors. Looks pretty good. Looks pretty good. And I'm gonna check, walk over here, check this side, make sure it looks straight. And then I'm gonna check one more side on this side. And you double check, because once you anchor it, it's down permanently. I go all the way back here. It's pretty good. Just needs a little bit over a little bit more. But once you get it how you like it, move it like that. Okay, check it one more time here. Then I'm gonna mark it in the center. I'm gonna zoom up here, Dylan, so they can see. I'm gonna do. I'm taking this, mark all 4 spots. What moves your feet here?
Don't get mom's feet.
So what if this moves? Then you can. Oh, your mom moves. See, that's why you.
There you go.
Have it. Double check in, because you watch here. Good. Good. Got one more circle and then. Okay, we're good to anchor. So now, if it moves, right? I'm gonna double check one more time here. The distance. I'm here again. It's about, should be about 109. You get 109. Pretty close. Yeah, pretty close. Perfect. These are anchor. These kind are the one that, they're different kind of anchors, but this one, you actually just go straight down. You hit it down, and once you screw it, it pops. This actually gets enlarged, so that's how it locks it in place. You want to zoom out, get that a little bit. Yeah. So what happened? It goes down in cement, just like this, and when you screw it, this pops out and locks it in place. That's how this angle works. But I'm gonna go ahead and drill. We figure how to drill it here. Very important, and the best way we did it. Well, the pergola, first of all, came with its own impact drill bit here. Okay. Move this over here, move this over here. You want to wear safety glasses, earplugs, ear protection. Okay, when you drill this, the key to drilling hammer, you got to use a hammer drill, of course, right? This is a hammer drill. What's a hammer drill? A hammer drill basically just vibrates up and down. It kind of gives it a little break in between. But the key to drill anchoring this is you gotta pull back and forth about at least four to 5 times so that it can get all that dust and the cement out. You don't, the anchor's not gonna go all the way down. So again, you want to drill as deep as the anchor. So this drill, I'm gonna go all the way down here, all the way down. You can see again, this pergola came with this drill. Sebastian, calm down, buddy. Okay, you ready?
Okay.
Hold this here. You got this, Dylan? Okay. Testing, and you also want to have a shop vacuum everything. Okay, there you go. I think you're good. Okay, I'm gonna drill one here first. First of all, let me actually. Nice thing about this hammer drill, you see my review on this hammer drill. I have it on the website, but it's really, really nice, really strong, really powerful. Ready? See how it jumps back. I want it in the center here. You see how I pull back and forth at least a couple times, 4 times? Because you want all that dust to come out. And so when you put it down, that dust won't stop the anchor bolts to go all the way down. Next I'll vacuum it. Here. Yeah, just vacuum it. It's gonna get dusty here, Dylan. This one needs a new filter. Oh, I need to plug it in.
Get over here, there's a big hole right there. That's gonna throw dirt out.
We're going to go on this side, don't we? Okay. Now just take this and take a hammer. Love my gorilla dump cart. It's like stores all my tools and everything. Take this here. Just hit it down. Hit, and then you just tighten it up. I'm not going to tie it up now, but you take, of course, your wrench and you just tighten up counterclockwise, and it pops it up and it locks it up. Because I'm going to try to get the anchor bolts in. That's why I don't want to tighten it yet. Okay, so I'm going to do one more here for you guys.
We do one more. We did 4 yesterday.
Okay, let's switch your spot here. You want to get this one done? You're gonna have to twist it too a little bit. There you go. Okay.
The hole's right there.
Yep, you got it. Okay, it's 5.51 from bolt to bolt. Check it one more time here. I'm not sure how many louvers is on here. So I'll start a little bit. It's more than halfway through.